Stop by and take a look at the 2016 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.